Welcome back to the channel. We're glad you joined us today. We decided to try and get one more autumn trip before the snow flies, and it looks like we just got it in the nick of time. And I wanted to show Sherri a place that I found while I was out hunting deer last year. We cannot drive into the area, but we can get close, and so I'm going to take her down. We're going to drive the Jeep down a little trail and stop and then walk in, and we'll show you some very interesting rock formations. We live up here in Bradford, Pennsylvania, and there are these amazing rock formations all over the county around us. Some of them are just breathtaking, and we think this is one of them. And so come along for a little hike today, and then we're going to take another little ride out into the wilderness, and we're going to get on a little trail that's a little tight, and I think you'll find that interesting. And we found an old shack that is kind of interesting and just a little bit spooky. So come along for the ride. I think you're going to enjoy this one. This is the last autumn ride we're going to take. I think the next one, everything's going to be white. We parked our Jeep here and took a little walk into the woods. It wasn't very far. I would say about a half mile to these rocks that we found. And the hike up there is really easy. It's nice outside today, and absolutely beautiful. The ground is just carpeted with these really orange and reddish colored maple leaves all over the place. It's absolutely beautiful. Now we're coming up on the rock formations. It's kind of a half moon arrangement of rocks up here, and the video really doesn't do it justice. These are probably close to 50 feet tall, and they're just stunning. And if you're up on the top coming towards them, it's very brushy up there, covered with grass and brush. And as you get closer to them, you've got to get really careful, because there are cracks and crevices that are covered by leaves that you could slip into and fall down, and you would not ever get out. It's a fascinating rock formation as we walk around it. Enjoy.
home sweet home. It even comes with a washer and a spare tire. And a fender. Not bad. Cheap.
Well, we sure hope you enjoyed that video. It was a blast getting out there on this last ride of autumn 2025. As a matter of fact, as I edit this video this morning, there's 2 or 3 inches of snow outside my window. So I'm glad we got this ride in. If you like this video, take a second and hit the like button. We appreciate when you do that. It really helps us out more than you could imagine. And if you're interested in more like this, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. That way, when we throw one of these videos up, you'll get notified about it. Anyways, thanks again for coming along for the ride. We sure do appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Today's Bible reading from the book of Romans, chapter 11, verse 33. Oh, the depth of the riches of the wisdom and knowledge of God! How unsearchable his judgments and his paths beyond tracing out. Romans chapter 11, verse 33.